Gopichandana is a sacred clay from Dwarka used during Sandhyavandana and other Vaishnava rituals to apply urdhva pundra, vertical tilak marks, on 12 parts of the body. This practice serves both spiritual purification and physiological purposes, rooted in ancient Indian understanding of energy channels and consciousness. Gopichandana is believed to have originated from Vishnu's body itself and was brought to Dwarka by Brahma and other deities, making it supremely sacred in Vaishnava tradition. The clay gained additional significance through Madhvacharya's discovery. He identified a boulder of Gopichandana mud used as ship ballast that contained a hidden Krishna idol, which he installed at Udupi. This strengthened the belief that the clay literally carries divine presence. The clay is considered so purifying that texts like the Garga Samhita declare that even touching it absolves sins, and Yamaraja, the god of death, cannot claim those who wear it. The Brahmanda Puranas state Gopichandana is twice as sacred as Ganges mud and equal to the dust of Vrindavana. Body as temple concept. Applying Gopichandana marks the body as a temple of Vishnu, transforming it from a mundane physical form into a sanctified dwelling for divine consciousness. Each of the 12 application points corresponds to invoking different aspects of Vishnu through the recitation of the Dwadasha Nama, 12 names of Vishnu. Energy channel activation. The 12 marks align with the body's subtle energy system, nadis and chakras. 3 marks on the stomach represent the rise of Kundalini Shakti through the 3 primary nadis, Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna. Lotus-shaped mark on the chest symbolizes the expansion of the Hridaya Kamala, heart lotus, Anahata chakra. 4 marks on the neck facilitate Kundalini's ascent from Anahata to Vishuddhi chakra. Forehead mark represents the rise from Ajna chakra to Sahasrara, crown chakra. Mark on lower back kindles Kundalini at its source in Muladhara chakra. 2 arm marks direct the flow of prana shakti that emanates from the hands. By applying pressure to these nerve-sensitive points with Gopichandana paste, practitioners believed they were channeling dissipated energy from lower chakras upward through the Sushumna Nadi, enhancing spiritual focus and consciousness elevation. Cooling and medicinal properties. Gopichandana possesses natural cooling effects on the skin, particularly beneficial in India's hot climate. Locals in Dwarka report it cures various skin diseases, suggesting antimicrobial or anti-inflammatory mineral content in the clay. Mental focus and neurostimulation. The forehead mark is applied at the Ajna chakra between the eyebrows, the location of the pineal gland and a concentration point in yogic practice. Ancient practitioners observed that this area, when stimulated, prevents energy loss through excessive mental activity, which causes headaches from electromagnetic wave emission. The cooling clay was thought to calm the mind and enhance concentration during meditation. Stimulate nerves between the eyebrows, improving focus. Activate the third eye for deeper spiritual awareness. Protection and purification. Beyond spiritual claims, the ritualistic application creates a psychological anchor that reinforces discipline, sadhana. The chest marks were believed to bring health and vitality, while arm marks prevented unscrupulous actions by reminding practitioners of their sacred commitments. When Dwaraka Gopichandana is unavailable, the Brahmanda Purana permits substitutes from spiritually significant locations: mountaintops, riverbanks, pilgrimage sites, ocean shores, anthills, or tulsi plant paste. During inauspicious periods, births, deaths, weddings, regular sandalwood paste, ganda, offered to deities replaces Gopichandana, or even plain water suffices, emphasizing that the practice itself is mandatory, not the specific material. This practice emerged from a holistic worldview where spiritual development and physiological well-being were inseparable. Preservation of yogic knowledge. encoding chakra locations and energy pathways into daily ritual ensured transmission of subtle anatomy concepts across generations. Ritual discipline. The mandatory tri-daily application during Sandhyavandana reinforced consistency in spiritual practice. Social identity. Visible markings distinguished Vaishnavas and Madhvas, fostering community cohesion and accountability to dharmic conduct. Integration of geology and spirituality. Recognition that certain clays possess unique mineral compositions, cooling, medicinal, led to their sacralization and preservation for ritual use. By understanding Gopichandana's dual function as a spiritual purifier invoking divine presence and a physiological tool for energy regulation, we see how ancient traditions embedded practical wellness insights within religious frameworks, ensuring their perpetuation through devotional motivation rather than purely medical reasoning.